To our other top story, this is where the Florida Department of Financial Services has 2 insurance villages still open this week. If you need help with your insurance due to damage following the hurricane, this is a chance to meet with property insurers in person, by the way. So Fox 4's John Barron is joining us live this morning on Fort Myers Beach, where the Diamondhead Resort is hosting today's event. Good morning, John.
Yeah, good morning. So there's still an outstanding number of those policies that still haven't even been answered. And that's why really they're doing these insurance villages, a chance for a lot of these policyholders to meet face to face with these insurance companies. And that's what they're doing here. And they've been doing that for the last day, actually, over on Monday. That's what they did. And they're going to be doing this until Wednesday as well. They're holding this one here at Diamondhead right here on Fort Myers Beach. And the state's Department of Financial Services is bringing in 14 insurance companies they say have the highest number of open claims since Hurricane Ian. Now, representatives from the National Flood Insurance Program and more than a dozen insurers are expected to be here this morning. And if you're interested in coming out, bring as many documentations and as many documents as you can, and make sure you also bring your driver's license. And the whole point of these villages is to make sure that people who lost property from Hurricane Ian get the money they deserve from their insurance companies. And it's also why the state's newly appointed Hurricane Ian Chief Recovery Director, Tosh Carter, is going to be here in Fort Myers this morning. Now, a few policyholders also told us exactly what they're seeing and the results they've already seen.
We want to make sure that you are prepared to issue checks on hand and that you have the representatives and the resources here that can make claim decisions right here on the spot.
We were a little stunned because the company has ignored us for 3 months.
Well, the doors here at Diamondhead open at 9 and they'll stay open until about 5 this evening. And also arriving here later on this morning is going to be the State Chief Financial Officer, Jimmy Petronis, and he'll be talking a little bit more about the efforts we're going to be seeing from the Insurance Village. We'll hear from him coming up later on as well. But there will also be another one in Punta Gorda tomorrow at the Charlotte County Event Center. Of course, you can find all this information on our website at fox4now.com and all the latest headlines that we have throughout the day and throughout the week. For now, live here on Fort Myers Beach, John Barron, Fox 4.